Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the 787 Dreamliner. It's actually also called, as it says on the wing, QF008. Yeah, this will be interesting. You can see two pusher brushed motors that give a differential thrust, but if you watch the unboxing, it also has a functional elevator, so that should make it interesting. And honestly, for what I paid for this, uh, if it flies, it should be good enough. So let's get it in the air and see. Okay, luckily, there's very little wind today. Let's see if we can taxi this. Yeah, the differential thrust is nice. Okay. It's up in the air. Oh, it's flying. It's full throttle. I'm about half throttle. It's cruising nicely. Well, it's banking a bit to the left. Oh, pretty up high. Let me try and bring it down a bit so you guys can see something. But I hear a car coming. Yeah, I don't know why it's banking to the left like that. Actually, a truck coming. Don't get hit by the airliner. Okay, trying to bring it close. Yeah, looks like it's turning sharper to the left than the right also. Maybe one of the wings is twisted a bit. I have no idea. There's no way to adjust that from the radio. It has trims just for up and down. Seems to be flying pretty level. Okay, now let's try and get it closer. Oh, looks good in the air. Seem a bit tail heavy, and I have no idea where the CG is supposed to be on this. You know what? Ooh, I have a heavier battery. Let's see if I can do a loop. Nah. I think the gyro won't allow it. But, ooh. Come on, turn. Stay away from those power lines. Yeah, it's a toy. Elevator, yeah, I'm pushing nose down, nose up. Doesn't want to climb as much as it wants to dive. That could probably be adjusted. I didn't mess with it, I left it box stock. Didn't even put the lights on. Woo. And I can close to those power lines. Yeah, it doesn't really want to turn right that much. Keeps wanting to go left. I'm full right now and it's barely turning. So I guess I'm gonna have to stick with left turns. Another car coming. And this radio's not beeping, nothing. So I have no idea how long I've been flying, probably around 3 minutes. Is my guesstimate. Woo! Yeah, it's banking like that. It feels like a crash waiting to happen. I really don't want to crash it, especially here where the field is plowed. I'm gonna get all muddy. Let's see a touch and go, maybe. Wow, not bad. Okay, I'm back up in the air. Oh, it feels like a lost grunt. Okay, so it was kind of scale taking off. Not the best colors for visibility, blue and white. I'm gonna try and zoom in when I upload the video so you guys can see something. Yeah, what can I say? Probably the cheapest airliner you can buy, especially if you can still find the deal I had on Banggood for $26 to my door. That's the only reason I bought it. Oh, that and because it has the elevator. I have that SU-35. It's also a twin pusher like this. And I got that for only $5. So that was no brainer. I don't know, I feel that flies, it's a bit snappier than this. But you know what? I kind of got the hang of it now. I think I can make it look half decent in the air, less like a toy. I like that it has the landing gear. I like taking off and landing rather than hand launches and belly landings. And especially for something like this. Let's see if I can get it close to me. Really close up pass. Woo! Go 787. Yeah, now if I'm looking at it, looks like the left wing tip is pointing up a bit, so that might be the issue. Oh. My internal clock is telling me it's been about 5 minutes. It's still flying. Radios, yeah, it's a radio. There's not much to it. Oh wait, it has rates. I forgot about that. Okay, push the rates button. Oh yeah, it's turning sharper now, I think. Even to the right. Good thing I looked down at the radio. I totally forgot it has that. Ooh, oh yeah. More elevator authority. But I feel like I'm losing power, am I? Or is it just me over controlling it? Let's go for that loop. But not over there, at least. Whoa. And it's down. Well, muddy shoes, here I come. Okay, that's in one piece. A bit dirty. But yeah, I think that's about it for this flight. I have to check the wings, yeah. Left one seems like it's pointing up a bit more. Ooh, Gotta be careful with these radios. So I'll probably have to push that down. Oh, that was fun. Interesting. Let me know, what do you think? Would you pay 26 bucks for this? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.